we were on a PeopleSoft implementation for HR, and we were running, I think, 3 versions late because of customization, and we've just made a decision to go to Workday. And you can already, we're about 1/3 of the way through the implementation of that, and the ability for HR to get a modern HR system of what they want is a real cathartic change, and a real change in the way the HR professionals think about what's available, and they're excited about their prospect, and excited about finally being able to get a piece of technology which every employee actually touches inside the organization, actually get to something which is comparable to a Facebook or a Gmail experience, and not feel ashamed of what we're providing from an internal perspective. So I think that's been very cathartic for the
clients with data revolving their portfolios and complex products, and we put them in an accessible way on the cloud. The first question I will get from my colleagues at our clients will be, why don't I run my analytics on your cloud? And so now for the organization, we'll have a challenge to say, is this a product that we want a bank to be in, right? So I think there's a slippery slope there that's fascinating, and I think the way people consume services in financial services will get very, very interesting, and I think we already see it because our clients are under the same pressure we're under, right? And so they'll say, well, it doesn't make any sense for you to send me a file, so we're building products that allow them to manipulate reference data that's coming out of the markets and their portfolios with other data. And instead of sending them 200 files, we'll just let them create that data structure on our cloud. And then, as I said, the interesting debate will be, well, why don't I just run my stuff on your cloud? And then, so that will be a product that would change the way we deliver service, I think, right?
We have examples in indirect procurement, treasury, small deal management, so a variety of those, and then where it affects employees every day, I would say probably our best example is installing a Lotus Connections cloud for how people collaborate daily has really transformed how work gets done. So those would probably be simple examples from us.
Still on that journey. We're seeing a lot of progress, but as new features and capabilities come out, as our employees are more up to speed on what's available, we're seeing more and more of a uptake of that technology. So we have folks in our manufacturing plants today creating videos and posting them internally to other people and things like that. So it's just, as I said earlier, it's growing organically.